Okay. Yes, you hear my voice, okay? Get on! I'm about to start. Let's go! Let's go! You know what? Oh, I forgot to do the thing so I can control the boat. You know what? It doesn't matter. Why is there a button on top of my boat, Amari? What the heck? Yeah, I'm sure it wasn't you. Cadet! Fire! Cadet! Fire! Cadet! Fire! Why, Mari? Why, Mari? Turn off the freaking booster! Please. For the Lord of Jesus, turn off the booster. Kabow! 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 Oh my God! Kabow! Flip! Yes, you heard my voice? If I get 100 subs, I will show my face. God! Lord of mercy, Jesus Christ. The storm is not over. The storm is not over. The snowstorm is not over. The snowstorm is. Yes. Yes, Amari. What? What? Where's your seat? You better sit your ass down. Stop. I did that. We can do the differences. Cause we could take them differences. We could do some differences. What is this? Oh no, no, no. It is destroying everything. You better go to the other seat because you're probably gonna die. Amari, run, go back to a different side. Go back to a different seat. Oh my gosh. Jesus Christ. There's a seat at the top. At the top of my boat if you want to go up there. Don't drop on us, balls. You better not drop on us. Sit back in your chair. Oh, no, don't. Oh, my God. I am so dead. I am so dead. I don't have any more seats. I'm so dead. I'm actually so dead. I think I'm gonna die. What? We're in a barn. Oh, lightning, this lightning. I'm getting back in my seat. This lightning. We only have 3 cannons left. I had way more cannons than that. And our booster got destroyed.
What? Oh, can I move it?
Oh no, I am drop dead. I'm going to die. Nope, I'm gonna die. How did that guy miss? These people are bad. They're actually missing. Oh no, that didn't miss. Oh God. Go! My gosh. Why aren't you coming for Mario? All you're doing is coming for me.
I don't know. What? You want me to come for me?
No, I'm just asking why they're not coming for you. Daddy's cleaning the snow.
Why the heck you son of a chair?
I'm looking outside. I'm looking outside because I keep on hearing us. Oh no, I think I'm gonna get that. I'm even gonna die, Amari. You lost your hair! We don't take no differences as... Ooh. La 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 la. Oh gosh, please no! No! No, I am so dead. God, please no. No, I'm dead. I am super dead. If I'm not gonna die, if I'm not dead in the next 10 seconds, I'm gonna be really surprised. And plus, we are so close to the end, Amari. This is the last stage, I think. Oh no, I hate this stage. I hate the stage because there are so much rocks. No, turn the other way. No, turn the other way. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. I'm gonna die. Turn. This boat better turn the other way because I'm gonna die if it doesn't. Oh my gosh, Amari. We are so close. This is literally the last stage. Please don't hurt me. Oh God, please no. No, I'm so dead. I'm so gonna die. I hit it. Come on. We only have 2 cannons left. No, I'm gonna die. I'll just be back here. My seat is done. My seat is really done. My seat is dead. Oh my gosh. Where am I gonna sit when we fall? Where am I supposed to? Oh my gosh. Oh God. Our boats are getting separated. This is the last part. No, I'm gonna die though. I'm gonna die and you're gonna win. This is not fair.
No!
I'm gonna die.
Daddy, I'm dying. I'm dying.
I died already. That wasn't even fair.
I died too.
That wasn't even fair. I lost my seat. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. See y'all next time.